Despite fake referendums and threats of nuclear weapons, Ukrainian forces continue their offensive on the strategic city of Lyman. This video from Lyman in the Donetsk region shows Ukrainian troops with captured Russian soldiers. Reports say 11 Russian soldiers were killed and 4 captured in a battle on the outskirts of the city.
Бійтеся помалу, хлопці. Хочете, станьте трошки відпочиньте.
Problems with mobilization throughout Russia continue. The other issue with mobilization is that Russia deployed much of its Rojvardia Sober and Oman troops who would play a key role in suppressing protests. This is interesting for those that don't know how Russian cops and intelligence work. Here's Dagestani women using their bodies to block cop cars. Once the cops drive through, note the plain-clothed men and women walking around the cops. They're state police intelligence. A group of women successfully chases away a lone policeman at an anti-mobilization protest in Dagestan. Reportedly, a footage from Ingushetia, where newly mobilized invaders arrived at a base, their beds are just rotten. Video from Nizhny Novgorod. It appears Russia is mobilizing conscripts who demobilized this spring. Presumably, the same will happen to conscripts who leave the military this fall as well.
Разрешите обратиться?
Пожалуйста.
Верховный главнокомандующий был издан указ. Призывной возраст не 20 лет, а участников боевых действий, имеющих опыты, чеченская и опыт. Почему идут пацаны 20 лет?
There was a large cache of occupiers' equipment in Kapyansk, but Uncle High Mars came to visit and burned it all.
Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe. Also, if you want to support Warthog Defense, please become our member and get early access to new videos, exclusive members-only videos, and become administrator in comment section. The membership link is in the description.
Every day. We had a guy last week, it's 6 rescues in 6 days. You know, he's doing the job every day.